Imagine facing a moral crossroads. A wallet, brimming with cash, lays abandoned on the sidewalk. No one else is in sight. The temptation to pocket the money is strong, but something within pulls you in the opposite direction. This inner tug-of-war, this moral dilemma, is where Kantian ethics takes the stage. Immanuel Kant, an 18th century philosopher, proposed a system of ethics that pivots on the principle of doing what is right, no matter the circumstances. He called this the categorical imperative, a command that is universally valid, regardless of one's personal desires or the potential outcome. Take the wallet scenario, for instance. The allure of free money might be enticing, but Kantian ethics would insist on returning the wallet. Why? Not because it might earn you good karma or even a grateful smile. No, you return it simply because it is the right thing to do. Kantian ethics, you see, is not about the ends justifying the means. It's about the means themselves. It's about making choices based on moral principles, not on the potential rewards or punishments. Consider an everyday scenario. You're late for an important meeting. You could exceed the speed limit and get there on time. But would that be the right thing to do? Kantian ethics would give you a resounding no. Because breaking the law, in this case the speed limit, is intrinsically wrong, regardless of the consequences. Kantian ethics, therefore, is like an unwavering moral compass, guiding you towards fairness and justice, irrespective of the path's ease or difficulty. It's about doing what's right, even when it's hard, even when no one's watching. So the next time you're at a moral crossroads, remember Kantian ethics. Remember the categorical imperative. Ask not what the outcome of your action might be, but rather, is your action itself morally sound? Kantian ethics isn't about seeking happiness or avoiding pain. It's about respecting the inherent worth of all individuals, about treating others as ends in themselves, not as means to an end. It's about upholding your duty, not for any reward, but simply because it's the right thing to do. In the grand tapestry of life, the threads of our decisions weave the patterns of our character. Let Kantian ethics guide your hand, for it's not the colors of the threads that matter, but the integrity with which they're woven. Remember, it's not about what you stand to gain or lose. It's about doing what's right. Always. Because in the end, the measure of our worth is not in our accomplishments, but in the moral choices we make. And that's the essence of Kantian ethics. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more intriguing insights into philosophy and life. Until next time, keep asking questions and seeking truth. After all, the journey is just as important as the destination.